FEC's number 202 gonna meet with 101 in Pineda. I'm expecting Caboose Junction to be here today, but looks like they're not down here. I wonder if he's gonna beat. No. Well, there goes the gates at Old Dixie Highway. 102 and 709 on lead. Here along with Mr. David Gooden. ECH is probably going to ask me, where are they? $102 and a 702, my bad. ECH spared my camera this time. Whoa, that's a long UPS one. That was a 53s. Got a Conrail. Another Conrail. And the Burlington Northern. Got a third Conrail. We got Tub heading it off. What a nice train. 9,200 feet. EOT passing us at 522. Like I said before, they're going to meet in Pineda. FEC's 101. So stay tuned.